Looking at muscles that act on the hip or thigh, all of these muscles are going to insert on the femur except for the sartorius, which will insert on the tibia, but based on the structure, it will still act on the femur as well. So as we look on the posterior aspect, we can see the gluteus maximus dominating the backside, and it is originating on the sacrum and inserts on the femur. Removing that, we can see the gluteus medius. So it is under the gluteus maximus. Has a insertion on the os coxa, the iliac crest, and inserts on the femur. We can also see the piriformis. And once we remove the gluteus medius, we can see the gluteus minimus. So we have to remove 2 layers to get deep enough to see the gluteus minimus. Adding those 2 muscles back, and removing the gluteus maximus and the medius one more time to just give you a version or a view of those layers coming together and being added. Moving to the piriformis, to get a better look at that, we can see that it originates on the sacrum and inserts on the femur. So all of the gluteal groups, except for the piriformis, can originate on the os coxa, and all of them, including piriformis, insert on the femur. Moving to the anterior view, I'll remove the bones of the arms and hands to see a little better. We have the sartorius muscle, which starts out on the anterior aspect of the iliac crest and then inserts on the medial aspect of the tibia. So this muscle acts on the tibia and on the femur. Looking at the psoas major, we can see it connects to the femur and the lumbar spine. And then highlighting the iliacus connects the iliac crest to the femur. So in a similar position of the psoas major, similar action, same insertion, just has a little bit different origin, but based on the name and where they're at, hopefully that can help you. No longer isolating the muscles that are acting on the hip and thigh, would you be able to identify them when put with the rest of the body? Then the posterior view. Would you know which muscle is marked? Another look at the posterior view. 2 different muscles marked. And a medial view of the thigh. An anterior view. First posterior view. The second posterior view. The medial view. So one time through with the answers.